Alright, today we're going to do understanding and using unit rates. First thing you need to think about is the word unit. So a unit. A being singular, unit also being singular, so unit means one. So in order to do a unit rate, you have to have your denominator equal to 1. So let's say we had 25 miles in 2 hours. That's a rate, but it's not a unit rate because my denominator is not 1. Actually, let me change that number to be a little more friendly. So let's change that to 26 miles in 2 hours. So in order to turn that into a unit rate, I need to divide by whatever my denominator is. So I'm going to divide it by 2 to get 13 miles in 1 hour. So my unit rate is 13 miles in 1 hour. Alright, so now I have a plane that travels 1,356 miles in 3 hours. Find the unit rate. So we got 1,356 over 3 hours. So again, you're going to have to divide by the denominator. So we're going to do 1356 divided by 3. So 3 goes into 13 4 times, which is 12. Subtract, bring down the 5. 3 goes into 15 5 times, which is 15. Bring down the 6. 3 goes into 6 twice. So that would be equal to 452 miles in 1 hour. Alright, so next we're going to do unit rates for something you see all the time in stores, and that's when you buy products. You know, some boxes are bigger than others, so you have to decide which one's the better price, and you do that by finding the unit price. So right here I got something that sells 15 ounces for $2.25 and 20 ounces for $3. So you want the price per ounce. So your price is going to go on top of your ratio. So I'm going to have 225 over 15 for my first ratio. So in order to make that a unit rate, I need to divide 225 by 15. 15 won't go into 2. Bring up your decimal. 15 goes into 22 once, which is 15. Subtract, you get 7. 15 will go into 75 5 times. So that would be 15 cents per ounce. Then for my second one, do the same thing. So it's money, which is $3 over 20 ounces. So again, I got to do that division. So $3 divided by 20. 20 won't go into 3. Bring up that decimal. 20 goes into 30 once. Subtract, you get 10. And 20 goes into 100 5 times. So that equals 15 cents per ounce. So in this case, it really doesn't matter which one you buy because they're the exact same price per ounce. If we had gotten the second one being, 18 cents per ounce, then you would have wanted to go with the first one. But because we got the same, it doesn't matter here because they're the same price. Alright, so now we got word problem. So 30 sit-ups in a minute. So my ratio, 30 sit-ups, 1 minute. And I want to know how many can be done in 7 minutes. So we're going to have to do equivalent ratios and get it equal to 7 minutes. So you think, how did I turn a 1 into a 7? I have to multiply it by 7. So I need to multiply the 30 by 7. So 7 times 0 is 0, 7 times 3 is 21, so that would be 210 sit-ups in 7 minutes.